Live a Little Productions is a full-service professional motorsports production and event management company based in the Rocky Mountains. This year we will produce over 80 events, including the Monster Truck Insanity Tour, Western Grand National Truck and Tractor Pulling Series, Freestyle Motocross Insanity, Live in Concert Series, Zombie Rampage, and more. We provide the finest quality professional entertainment for audiences and fairs across the entire Western United States, bringing competitors and talent from coast to coast. At Live a Little Productions, we understand that forming personal relationships with fair boards, sponsors, and venue management teams, as well as becoming a part of the local community, is crucial for special event success, and we pride ourselves on our ability to do so. Let us help you fill your grandstands with the best entertainment available. Monster trucks are undoubtedly one of the largest spectator draws in all of motorsports. The Monster Truck Insanity Tour attracts some of the biggest names in the monster truck world, ensuring top quality, professional entertainment for your fans while providing a commitment to safety that is second to none. With a format unlike a standard monster truck event, the Insanity Tour features non-stop, intense action while incorporating locals into the shows and keeping spectators on the edge of their seats through the entire event. Also included on the Insanity Tour is the Monster Truck Ride Experience, Freestyle Motocross, Figure 8 Insanity, local tough truck and UTV races, mini bike madness, and more. Pre-show pit parties and driver autograph sessions are fan favorites, as we allow the spectators to get up close and personal with the trucks and drivers, adding to the overall spectator experience. Crowds across the country have raved about Insanity Tour events, and we expect many more sold-out venues this year. Truck and tractor pulling has been delivering its own unique form of entertainment for over 70 years. We provide top quality equipment and a safe yet competitive environment for our drivers, while delivering exciting racing entertainment to the fans and fairboards. With 12 individual competition classes, there is a spot for everyone. From the biggest 10,000 plus horsepower professional trucks and tractors, all the way to the local competitor with a gas or diesel street pickup. Grand National level truck and tractor pulling is moving west, and we pride ourselves on being at the top of the market with our professional event experience and competitor following. The Western Grand National Pulling Series entertains audiences all across the Western U.S. with event stops at multiple fairs. Freestyle Motocross has taken over the extreme sports spotlight in the last 8 to 10 years as major corporate sponsors have joined in to boost the sport to new heights. An undeniable crowd favorite, the Live a Little Freestyle Motocross Insanity team performs at many of our own events, as well as rodeos, concerts, festivals, and corporate parties. Quick and simple setup and teardown utilizing a state-of-the-art airbag landing creates minimal disturbance on the arena floor, making this show a great fit for time-crunched events. As a popular standalone show, we offer freestyle motocross with a UTV rodeo and mini bike madness that provides an exciting, action-packed 2-hour show that includes our freestyle stars as well as locals that come to participate in front of the hometown crowd. The Live in Concert Series provides fairs with talent, promotion, and complete full-scale production for any size concert or comedian act. Everything from sound, stage, and lighting to hospitality, VIP packages, and online ticketing, Live a Little Productions has the complete turnkey package to bring high-quality entertainment to your fair while providing you a low-stress experience so you can focus on your fair while we focus on the details. The Zombie Rampage Monster Bus Paintball Hunt was created in 2017 in an effort to provide a one-of-a-kind attraction, while adding a twist to the standard school bus zombie hunt format. Over the last 3 seasons, the demand has grown exponentially as the Zombie Rampage expanded to multiple locations, including downtown Las Vegas, and the word of monster buses spread like wildfire. The attraction utilizes a 14-foot tall, custom-built, monster-sized school bus with custom paintball guns mounted to each window. By combining the thrills of live-person combat and monster trucks, the Zombie Rampage reaches a far broader demographic in the standard zombie hunt and provides a truly one-of-a-kind experience. The visual appeal of the monster bus provides an enormous marketing tool not only for print and online media, but also for on-site display at facility locations, local businesses, and promotional events. Designed and manufactured in-house by the Live a Little Productions team, the monster buses are fully customized with sound systems, paint, lighting, and exterior features. In addition to our complete lineup of turnkey events, Live a Little Productions offers an extensive array of services available to your organization. As a complete turnkey production company, we provide all of the aspects to make your event successful in terms of your bottom line, safety, and entertainment value. Live a Little Productions event services include voiceover TV and radio ad production, custom apparel design and printing, announcers and MC services, graphic design services, sponsorship consultation, marketing and advertising assistance, LED video wall with camera and production crews, corporate event production, and the monster truck ride experience. As the only full-service, turnkey motorsports production and event management company based in the Rocky Mountains, Live a Little Productions and our team of experienced marketing and production specialists are here for you. We will dedicate knowledgeable event coordinators to work directly with your fair to provide you with the absolute best planning and event experience, focusing on your bottom line, safety, and entertainment value. Our team excels in providing a stress-free process while working hand in hand with you to exceed your goals and objectives. Contact us directly at livealittleproductions.com or 888-490-1990. That's 888-490-1990. Welcome to entertainment. Welcome to Live a Little Productions.